The Galaxy Watch 6 series will be launched later this year, and according to recent reports, Samsung will bring back the much-maligned actual spinning bezel on the left side of the device. According to a new claim by Korean source at Super Rotor, Samsung is bringing back the actual spinning bezel, but only for the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro this year. The actual spinning bezel will be offered only on the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, but all Galaxy Watch 6 Pro models will allegedly come in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm. Furthermore, both the 6 and 6 Pro are rumored to have a convex glass screen, as opposed to the Watch 5's inward curving design. In opposition to Apple, Samsung has chosen a unique design language for its smartwatches, choosing for a round watch face similar to that of a standard wristwatch. The display of the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will be protected by sapphire crystal glass, while the display of the Galaxy Watch 6 will be protected by Gorilla Glass. The Galaxy Watch 6 Pro will be made of aluminum and have a sapphire crystal glass covered 1.4-inch Super AMOLED display, while the Galaxy Watch 6 range is said to have 5 ATM and IP68 waterproof. Ice Universe recently tweeted that the forthcoming watch will feature bent glass designs. So no more flat-edge screens for the Galaxy Watch. It appears the Samsung tech giant's next wearable will follow in the footsteps of its forebears, perhaps resembling the Pixel watch. According to Sam Mobile, Samsung intends to use tiny LED screens in its forthcoming Galaxy Watch line. According to a story from South Korean Samsung, the use of its micro-LED technology may be expanding beyond high-end TVs to include smart devices. According to the story, Samsung has already started the commercialization of tiny LEDs and smart timepieces. When compared to OLED screens, micro-LED panels provide significant improvements in contrast ratio, luminosity, and color rendering. We'd like to see Samsung raise the expected battery life of the Galaxy Watch 5 from 40 hours to 50 to 60 hours in the next iteration, the Galaxy Watch 6 line. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.